In this video, we'll show you 9 baking soda hacks you need to know. Clean fruits and vegetables. Baking soda can help remove chemical residue and dirt off your fruits and vegetables. Soak your fruits or vegetables in cold water using about 1 teaspoon of baking soda for every 2 cups of water. Let it soak for about 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with water. Make toothpaste. Place a small amount of baking soda on a dish. Dip your toothbrush in some water and start mixing the baking soda into a paste. Deodorize sneakers. You can sprinkle some baking soda directly into your shoes, but you can use a sturdy paper towel or a napkin for mess-free results. Place the napkin in your shoe and add about 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Gently twist the napkin close and slide it further into the shoe. Let this sit overnight and remove the contents the next day for a mess-free deodorizer. Clean brushes and combs. You might not see it, but natural oil slowly begins to build up on your combs and brushes over time. Remove the skunk by soaking them in a small cup of warm water with about 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Let the combs and brushes soak for about 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly to remove all the loosened gunk. Freshen your carpet and rugs. First, do a quick pass with the vacuum to remove any dust and debris. Then sprinkle a light layer of baking soda onto the carpet. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, then vacuum up to remove any odors. Dry clean stuffed animals. Using baking soda is an easy way to clean stuffed animals and remove odors and body oils. Place a stuffed animal in a large Ziploc bag or a trash bag depending on the size. Add about half a cup of baking soda to the bag, close off, then give the bag a good shake. Let this sit for about 30 minutes. Then shake off the excess baking soda and vacuum off any remaining powder. Create an antacid. Got heartburn, an upset stomach, or acid indigestion? Some baking soda may help relieve the symptoms. Simply stir in half a teaspoon of baking soda with half a cup of water. Remove scuff marks. Got some scuff marks on your walls or door? Not to worry. Place a small amount of baking soda in a dish. Add a little water and mix until it becomes a paste. Using a soft cloth, rub the spots in a circular motion to remove the marks. Your walls and doors will look like new. Clean mouthpieces. Using baking soda is a great way to help clean mouthpieces like retainers, dentures, and mouthguards. Soaking these in a cup of warm water with 2 teaspoons of baking soda will help neutralize odors and help keep them clean. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.